Hello, so friends, hello and welcome back my channel again. We are going to talk about a new website that is called TRX Capital. It's a new making website. Here you can learn profit on the daily basis. You can earn interest on the daily basis. You can have a reward of 1000 TRX at the time of sign up. So friends, it's a great opportunity. You can also earn money by sharing it with your friend. As your friends use your link to sign up to, you can get rewards. So we are going to take complete look on it. But before starting, if you are new on channel, then subscribe and press bell icon to get a new notification about all videos campaigning in a future, and the cap your rewards in the comment section and thumbs up to the video. So let's get started. So first of all you have to sign in. For signing in, you just have to enter phone number, login password, invited code, sing in, and you will be successfully even to registration. Either a phone number, login, sing in. You can log in successfully. You can see that I have get 1000 TRX by a successful registration. So friends, here we are going to talk about withdraw, team share, log out, and you can see my wallet account 80.399, promotion 0, join to be a Tron millionaire. Use code meaning and def technology to increase all user get them most TRX review platform data display. So friends, here are some platform data displays. So global partners also, friends, it's a great opportunity for you to earn money. About us, we are at our best. Global partners with Zrike Coin, DCX, Genesis meaning, BIT meaning, Binance Coin Mind, OKX. So as you can see, that cloud mining as working 6% training profit. You have to receive it, and lock-in see is if you go back to your home. You can see that 60 TRX have been added to your account. So you can earn 60 TRXT on your daily basis. So it's a great opportunity. Plus please do not miss it. You can see that the detail are here. Training list as also list at also here. For sharing, you just have to go to your website and join the link, so you can share it to your friends and earn the perfect here. After that, friends, here is the complete h, and everything is also here. So if we talk about the team, level 1 is the high level, level 2 silver, and the level 3 legal lower than 2. So it's all about this. And if we go back to our meaning and then see the profit list. Here is the profit list. 1000 TRX, 0 promotion income, 0 TRX, 0 TRX. I haven't promoted it here, but when I will promote it, I will get the reward in the basic of my promotion account number. Now we are going to take a look on the deposit and withdraw. So friends, we are going to deposit money in it. We have to go to the deposit wallet and copy the deposit link. You can see that the and copy link. We can see that we can see that the copy link is successful copied. So now we have to go to our wallet and share it. With that, you have to click the send button, address copy, enter the address and amount you want to send, 10 tr 10 trx 10 10 trx. You just have to continue. Max total, confirm. So that will be sent to your account. Successful send at after some time. So you can see that the time, it's a time taken processor sim. Now we are going to back now we are going to back now we are going to back account, going to back account, get the deposit amount. Now we are going back to our account and process to the get deposit amount. The recharge amount is minimum 10 trx. The amount will be added in our account after some time. Successfully added to our account. Now we are going to make the withdraw of this so that we can earn profit in the basic account, promotion account. I can choose the basic account. So here we have to edit limit, and here we to add address where we have to sacrifice money and enter the password. We have go to our wallet, our wallet. And friend, here here have after copy this link. You have to paste it. After copy this link, you have to paste it right here, and you have to put the limit. Limit here to and enter your security password. Confirm. Sometimes the amount will be subtracted from here and added to that account where we want to send it. So friends, so have to just as you can see the transaction is successfully completed, and the amount was at the amount was 1008.90. And if you will back to a will back to a wallet and take a look in amount, so you people are able to see that able to be that 8.9 trx and has been added in my account. So friends, it's complete detail about this all, and here and it's a great opportunity. Don't miss at it, and you can share with your friends. You be a Tron millionaire. We will meet again. Bye.